Imagine waking up inside a canvas tent. The ground is shaking. Bombs are exploding somewhere behind you. You see a line of wounded soldiers waiting for help. Welcome to the life of a nurse in World War II. A job so exhausting, dangerous, and heartbreaking, it changed the women who did it forever. A job that looked brave on posters, but felt like a nightmare in reality. And trust me, their lives were nothing like the movies show. Most nurses were young women, 19, 20, 21 years old. Many had only a few months of rushed medical training. But the moment they arrived at the front, they weren't helping doctors. They were the doctors. They performed emergency surgeries, amputations, blood transfusions, treated infections, stitched wounds, and handled shock patients, all with minimal equipment and almost no rest. One nurse wrote in her diary, "We learned faster than we slept, and we didn't sleep much." Imagine being barely out of school and suddenly responsible for keeping dozens of dying men alive. People think nurses worked far from danger. They didn't. Army medical tents were placed right behind the front lines, close enough to hear bullets whistle overhead, close enough that the ground shake from artillery, close enough that hospitals were bombed again and again. Nurses sometimes performed surgery while wearing gas masks. Others treated patients in total darkness because enemy pilots targeted any sign of light. Imagine trying to stitch a soldier's leg while the entire building vibrates from explosions. A normal workday? 18 hours. Bad days? Try 30 to 36 hours straight, with no breaks and no replacement nurses coming to help. They ate cold food when they could, slept on wooden cots, and woke up to the next crisis immediately. Some fainted from exhaustion and woke up only because another nurse shook them awake and said, "We need you, another truck is coming." There was no weekend, no vacation, just endless waves of wounded soldiers. Nurses didn't just assist. They were the first and last faces soldiers saw. They treated shattered bones, blown off limbs, burned skin, deep infections, young men in shock, soldiers screaming in pain, soldiers silently accepting death. Teenagers begged them not to let them die. Some cried for their mothers. Others asked nurses to send a final message home. And nurses had to stay calm, even when their hands were shaking and their hearts were breaking. Many nurses suffered lifelong PTSD, but nobody talked about it then. They were expected to be strong, even when the sights they witnessed haunted them forever. Hospitals were overcrowded and chaotic. Sanitation was terrible. Flies everywhere. Blood on the floors, people coughing, vomiting, screaming. And diseases spread fast. Typhus, malaria, dysentery, tuberculosis. Nurses had to treat patients while constantly risking infection themselves, with no modern antibiotics, no protective gear, no vaccines, and often not enough soap or clean water. They sometimes reused bandages because they had no choice. Sometimes they boiled instruments for a few seconds and hoped it was enough. It wasn't. Nurses weren't just medical staff. They were emotional support, comfort, hope, a familiar voice in an unfamiliar hell. They sat with dying soldiers, held their hands, wrote letters to their families, and kept them company in their final moments. And after one soldier died, they immediately had to move to the next patient with no time to grieve. One nurse later said, "We learned to cry without making a sound." Imagine carrying the last words of hundreds of dying men in your memory. By the end of the war, W2 nurses had saved hundreds of thousands of lives, often more than any weapon or commander. They endured exhaustion, danger, trauma, and heartbreak, yet history rarely talks about them. These were the hidden warriors of World War II, the ones who fought not with guns, but with courage, compassion, and an unbreakable will to save others. They were the heroes the world needed, but almost never thanked. If you want more videos about what life was really like in different historical eras, make sure you subscribe. Because trust me, things are about to get even more shocking.